Welcome to Ricky and Brenda's The Great Escape.
Exploring the little streets of Albaicín. So we're doing a little live. Exploring the little streets, little pathways actually. We're in Albaicín Bajo, just walking around. Walking around, exploring. We should go. We should. Por aquí. Por ahí you can see part of Granada, the center. So hello, walking around. This is Albaicín, Granada. What that looks like. Let's take a look. You can see a big part of Granada. Pretty cool. I know where we're at. We've been through here in the scooter.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
We're close to our house and our motorcycle's all the way up there.
I know our scooter is way down there somewhere. We're far. Yeah. It's a beautiful view from up here. So welcome everyone. I'm glad you're here walking with us. Walking in Albaicín, Granada. Just exploring, just walking around, and we love sharing our little adventures. We escaped the hustle and the life, the fast life of the United States to a more, laid back life here in Spain, which we are truly loving and enjoying. Excuse if I am out of breath, but I've been, you know, going up. So, yeah, this is amazing. Look at this. Granada Centro. Way far out. Those beautiful mountains. If I'm not mistaken, I mean, I could be wrong, it's been a while,